Hi, I am Preeti. In this video, I am going to resolve exercise 6.3 and I will use theorem 6.8, that Pythagoras theorem. If you don't know about Pythagoras theorem, you can see my previous video. So what is Pythagoras theorem? It's a right angle triangle. So in the right angle triangle, that hypotenuse square equals to the sum of the square of other two sides. Like if I have ABC as a right angle is a right angle triangle and angle B equals to 90 degree. So we can say that AC square means hypotenuse square equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay. And one more thing, AC will always be greater than other two side. Means AC will always be greater than AB and as well as BC also. Okay. For example, if I have one right angle triangle and example this is 3 centimeter and this is 5 centimeter. Okay. So this hypotenuse will always be greater than 5. It will never be less than or equals to 5. Okay, so this is the hypotenuse property. Okay, so let's see from question 1 of 1. Okay, so what is this? Sides of triangle are given below. Determine which of them are right angle. In case of a right angle, write the length of its hypotenuse. So we have to find out which one is right angle. So right angle we know in the right angle this hypotenuse square equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Okay. So first one is 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Okay. So which one is bigger in this three options? 25. So it might be hypo will be equals to 25 centimeter if this is a right angle triangle. Okay. So what is hypo square? Hypo square equals to 25 square. So what is 25 square is 625. Okay. Now this hypo square will equals to sum of the square of other two sides. So we will find out 7 square and 24 square. Okay. So what is 7 square? 7 square is 49. And what is 24 square? 24 square is 576. Okay. So if we will sum it 5 2 6 to 5, correct? So that means we can say that hypo square equals to sum of the square of other two sides. So that means we can say it is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. And what is the hypo? The hypo length is 25 centimeter because this is the largest in this three options. Okay, so this is the right angle triangle. Now second one. What is second one? 3 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So if it is a right angle triangle, what will be the hypo? Hypo equals to 8 centimeter, right? So hypo square equals to 8 square means 64. So 64 should be equals to sum of other two sides square. Means we have to find out 3 square plus 6 square. If this square equals to 64, means we can say this is a right angle triangle, means this is the length of a right angle triangle. Sides of the means we can say that this is 3, this is 6 and this is 8. Means this can be a length of the sides of a right angle triangle. Okay. So what is 3 square? 3 square is 9. 6 square is 36. So 36 plus 9 is what? 45, right? So is 45 equals to 64? No. So we can say that this is not correct. Means it is not a right angle triangle, right? So since it is not a right angle triangle, that means we can't find any hypotenuse for this triangle. Okay, that means this is not 90 degree. Okay, now the third one. Okay, so what is the third one? Third one is 50 centimeter, 80 centimeter and 100 centimeter. Okay, so what will be the hypo? What is the max in this? 100 centimeter. Okay, so hypo square equals to 100 square, which is equals to this much. Okay, now this should be equals to the sum of the squares of 50 and 80. So 50 square plus 80 square, right? So 50 square is 2500, 80 square is 6400, right? That means 8900. Okay, so that means that hypo square is not equals to this, means it is not a right angle triangle, right? So we can write down it is not a right angle triangle. Okay, now the fourth one. What is fourth one? 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, so what is that? What will be the hypo? If it is a right angle triangle, 13 centimeter. Okay, now what is hypo square? Hypo square equals to 13 square. That means what? 169, right? So 169 should be equals to 12 square plus 5 square, correct? Sum of the rest of the sides means 12 square plus 5 square. So we have to find out 12 square plus 5 square. So 12 144 plus 5 square of 5 is 25. That means 1961. 196 means this equals to this, correct? So we can say that it is a right angle triangle, right? And what will be the hypo? Hypo is equals to 13 centimeter, correct? So this is question number 1. What is question number 2? PQR is a right angle triangle. Okay, we have one triangle. Say QPQR. You can mention anything. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle and right at P. So this is 90 degree and M is a point on QR. In QR there is one point M such that PM is perpendicular to QR. This is also 90 degree. Okay, so we have to show that PM square equals to QM into MR. Okay, so where is PM? PM is this, QM is this, and MR is this, correct? Means we have to if we are able to do this triangle and this triangle are similar, that means we can find out the ratio of the corresponding sides. Okay, because these lines are only related with these two triangles, correct? So let's see. From triangle QMP and triangle PMR. Okay, in both of the triangle this is 90 degree, correct? So in QPM, angle QPM equals to this angle, right? Angle PMR, both are 90 degree, correct? Now what about other angles? Now we can't see anything, correct? So let's see here. I will do it here. Okay, in triangle PMR, okay, triangle PMR, this is 90 degree. Okay, so angle of this and this equals to what? 180 degree minus 90 degree, means sum of this and this equals to 90 degree, because this is a right angle triangle and this is 90 already, it's given. So as we know, the sum of these three angles equals to 180 degree and one is already 90 degree, correct? So the sum of other two angles is 90 degree, correct? So we can say that angle MPR means this plus angle MRP equals to what? 90 degree, right? Now if we will see this triangle QPR, okay, what is 90 degree? This is 90 degree, right? So we can say angle this plus angle this is 90 degree, right? So we can say that angle QPM plus angle MPR, this plus this equals to 90 degree, right? So make it as A and make it as B. Okay, now since right side is both 90 degree, that means left side will be equals to the left side of this equation. So from equation A and B, okay, this equals to this, right? So angle MPR plus angle MRP equals to this angle QPM plus angle MPR, right? So angle MPR is also here, angle MPR is also here. That means we can say angle MRP equals to angle QPM, right? So MRP, where is MRP? MRP, this, and QPM, correct? So we are able to find out the other two angles are equal in this two triangles, right? So in triangle QMP, angle this QPM, angle QPM equals to what? This angle? Angle MRP, angle MRP, right? Make it as C. So here we can write from equation C, right? So now according to, since two angles are equal, the third angle will be automatically equal, correct? So according to angle similarity criteria, these two triangles QMP is similar to triangle PMR, right? Now we are able to prove these two triangles are similar. These things you can write it here in between that, so it will be easy to find out key from equation. It's good to write after calculating C, we have to write it here from equation C. Now we are able to find out that these two triangles are similar. So what is the similar property? That corresponding sides are proportionals, right? So we will find out the corresponding sides of these two triangles. So in QPM, what is the corresponding side? QPM, since this is 90 degree, so QP by, in this triangle this is 90 degree, so PR equals to this angle is equals to this angle, right? So this angle means QM by PM. Sorry. QM by PM, and the rest one is QP, QM and MP, and here also PR, PM and MR, correct? So now what we have to find out? PM square equals to, where is PM? PM is here, PM is here. So I will just take this two, okay? So what is PM square? PM square equals to QM into MR, correct? From here, PM square is equal to cross multiplication, okay? PM square equals to QM into MR. The same thing we have to prove, right? See here. PM square equal to QM multiplied by MR, right? So QM multiplied by MR. So this is done now. The same thing we have to prove, right? Okay.